Here I am, just picked up the new Nitrocat 1250K. Comes in a box like this. The thing that threw me off was the fact that it said made in Taiwan. I mean, I don't know how good it's going to be. Some of the guys on Amazon or even on YouTube were saying that these things were good as far as performance and as far as the torque. It says 950 foot-pounds maximum torque at 90 psi. I'm here at work. Comes in a box like this. Comes with a little black bag and some couple of brochures. But let me make this video quick. When I bought it, I got it off on the Snap-on tool truck. He threw in this air ratchet, this Aircat pneumatic ratchet wrench. It's a 3/8. Not bad. Paid about $3.19 for both. I think I could have got it cheaper on Amazon, but anyways, hopefully this impact gun is as good as what everyone is saying. I got it set up right here. Here's my toolbox. I got a Snap-on toolbox, a little roll cart, but bought some couplers, got them in this morning, put them on. I'm about to test it out and see what the hype is about. Here's a little 3/8 ratchet. Feels good. This is a little bit of a cheap fill, but it should be okay. Alright. And here it is hooked up on the airline. You can simply just switch it with your thumb. Feels good. It's not that heavy. I think it's a Kevlar composite, and I think the housing is aluminum. It has a good feel. Feels good. Hopefully I got my money's worth. I'll be posting some videos on how it performs. Nitrocat 1250K. That's good. Has a rubber grip right here. Has a good feel.